Welcome back to Amica Studio, your destination for architecture, home design ideas, and interior design inspiration.
Embracing the timeless charm of shabby interior design. In the world of interior design, the allure of the shabby chic style continues to captivate homeowners, decorators, and design enthusiasts alike. Defined by its effortless elegance and vintage charm, shabby interior design offers a unique approach that celebrates imperfections, history, and a sense of coziness. The essence of shabby chic. At its core, shabby chic embraces a lived-in aesthetic, blending antique elements with contemporary sensibilities. The hallmark of this style lies in its ability to infuse spaces with character, evoking a sense of nostalgia and comfort. Renowned interior designer Jane Smith beautifully encapsulates the essence of shabby interior design. Shabby chic is the art of embracing imperfections and weaving stories within the threads of a room. It's not just about furniture, it's about creating a feeling, a sense of timelessness that resonates with everyone who walks in. Distinctive features. 1. Weathered finishes. Embrace distressed furniture and decor pieces that carry the marks of time, crackled paint, worn edges, and faded colors that tell stories of their own. 2. Soft pastel palette. Delicate hues like muted pinks, faded blues, and creamy whites dominate the color scheme, imparting a gentle, soothing ambience. 3. Vintage accents. Incorporate vintage finds such as ornate mirrors, antique frames, and lace textiles to add a touch of whimsy and history to the space. 4. Layered textures. Rich textures like frayed linens, plush velvets, and rough-hewn woods create depth, adding warmth and tactile interest. Crafting your shabby chic space. 1. Embrace imperfections. Celebrate the beauty in imperfection. Don't shy away from furniture or decor pieces that show signs of wear, they add character and authenticity. 2. Mix and match. Combine old and new elements. Pair a distressed wooden table with modern chairs or adorn a contemporary room with a vintage chandelier. 3. Soften with fabrics. Introduce softness with flowy curtains, loosely draped throws, and overstuffed cushions, enhancing the inviting atmosphere. 4. Personal touches. Infuse your space with personal touches, a collection of vintage books, heirloom pieces, or family photographs, to make it uniquely yours. Related products to elevate your shabby chic space. Distressed wooden coffee table, a centerpiece that embodies the shabby chic aesthetic, adding character to your living room. Vintage-style wall mirror, ornate frames or aged finishes evoke a sense of nostalgia, perfect for adding a touch of vintage charm to any space. Lace-trimmed throw pillows, soft textures and delicate designs that enhance the coziness of your sofa or bed. Antique brass chandelier. Infuse elegance and timeless appeal into your room with a statement lighting piece. Weathered photo frames showcase cherished memories with frames that complement the shabby chic style. The timeless appeal. In a fast-paced world, the shabby chic style offers a retreat, a sanctuary that exudes a sense of calm and nostalgia. Its time-honored allure continues to captivate hearts, reminding us to appreciate the beauty in simplicity, imperfection, and the passage of time. Shabby interior design isn't just about creating a visually appealing space, it's about curating an environment that tells stories, evokes emotions, and embraces the beauty of the imperfect. Embrace the charm of shabby chic and transform your home into a haven that whispers tales of the past while offering comfort in the present.